Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive straight into how to create a project checklist on Asana. Asana is a powerful project management tool, and with checklists, you can streamline your tasks and keep your team on the same page. First things first, log into your Asana account. If you don't have an account yet, quickly sign up. Now, click the orange plus new button in the top right corner and select Project. This will open a new project window. The reason we do this is because each checklist needs to be associated with a specific project. Once you've created a new project, it's time to start adding tasks. Click on the Add Task button. In the task name field, write a clear, concise description of the task you need to complete. After that, set a due date and assign it to a team member if needed. This helps us because it allows us to break down our project into manageable chunks, improving our team's efficiency and productivity. Now that we've done that, let's move on to subtasks. Click on the task you just created and then click the Add Subtask option. This is where you can get really granular with what needs to be done for each task. Subtasks are particularly useful for more complex tasks that need to be broken down into smaller steps. It makes the task less daunting and ensures nothing gets missed. Next up, let's talk about custom fields. Click on Fields and then Add a field. Here, you can create a checklist of specific criteria or steps that need to be completed for each task. For example, if you're creating a checklist for a blog post, you could add fields for first draft, editing, graphic design, and publish. Custom fields keep things organized and make it easier for everyone to understand what needs to be done. We're almost done, just a few more things to cover. If you have a set of tasks or subtasks that will be reused in future projects, save them as a template. Click on the project header, then select Convert to Template. This saves us time in the future and ensures consistency across similar projects. And there we have it. You've just created a project checklist on Asana. This will definitely help you and your team stay organized and on track. Remember, a well-planned project is half the job done. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to check back for more tutorials to help you make the most out of Asana. Until then, happy project planning.